Dear students, I hope all of you have done your previous homework at page number 56 of your English grammar book. So, you all have to check your answers from here. Filling the blanks with the preposition given below. First one is in or at. In Phillips में in और at आएगा. He was born in India. Second is I live at Lakshmi Nagar in Delhi. Second, in or into. Rohan jumped into the lake. Second is Mohan reads in the room. Third one, on or upon. First is the cat jumped upon the mouse. And second is the balls are on the table. Fourth one, to or from. First is he is coming from the market. Second is he is going to shop. Fifth one, by or with. First is the rat was killed by Tina with a rod. And the second is Rehman is sharpening his pencil with a sharpener. Sixth one is between or among. She is sitting among her friends. And second one is divide the apples between two sisters. Seventh one is besides or beside. Beside or besides. First one is besides Hindi. He also speaks Sanskrit. Second is Anuradha sat beside her father. So have a look at page number 55. Use of preposition. In is used to show position of rest. In का use जो है रेस्ट की पोजीशन को बताने के लिए किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द टीचर इज इन द क्लासरूम. सिक्स्थ वन, ऑन इज यूज टू शो द प्रपोजिशन ऑफ समवन और समथिंग ऑन द सरफेस. ऑन का यूज जो है वह पोजीशन किसी की पोजीशन किसी लिविंग या नॉन लिविंग चीज़ की पोजीशन बताने के लिए किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द कैट इज लाइंग ऑन द फ्लोर. सेवंथ वन, एट इज यूज फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम. एट का जो यूज है वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम बताने के लिए किया जाता है. एग्जाम्पल विकास गॉट अप एट 7 o'clock. एट्थ वन, इनटू इज यूज टू इंडिकेट मोशन टूवर्ड्स द इनसाइड ऑफ समथिंग. इनटू का यूज जो है वह किसी चीज़ में उसकी मोशन को बताने के लिए इनटू का यूज किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल The child fell into the pond. Second example is the student rushed into the classroom. Ninth one, among is used for more than two persons, places or things. Among का यूज जो है दो से ज़्यादा person, place और thing के लिए किया जाता है. For example, distribute these sweets among all the boys. Tenth one is with is used to show the instrument and by refers to the agent. with का यूज जो है वो बताया उसका यूज़ किया जाता है किसी इंस्ट्रूमेंट को बताने के लिए या जिसको रेफ़र कर रहा है या किसी को रेफ़र कर रहा है उस चीज़ के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द थीफ वॉज बीटन विद अ स्टिक. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज द ओल्ड मैन वॉज किल्ड बाय अ रॉबर. सो today you have to fill B part at your English grammar book at page number 57. Filling the blanks with proper preposition. First, the sun sets in the evening. Second, Mr. Gupta was killed by the robber with a knife. Third one, come and play with me. Fourth one, he's fond of music. Fifth one, she lives in New York. Sixth, my brother is going to Jaipur. Seventh one, divide the fruits between Vijay and Vikas. Eighth one, my friend was born at Noida in UP. Ninth one, he borrowed money from the bank. Last one is there is a book on the table. So you all have to fill B part at page number 57 in your English grammar book. Thank you.